Why does my Alfa sewing machine unthread? 1. Check that the needle is correctly positioned. 1. Remove the presser foot. 2. Loosen the screw. Screwdriver included with the machine accessories. 3. Check the condition of the needle. If the needle has rough spots, is bent, or dull, it needs to be replaced. 4. Place the flat side of the needle towards the back. 5. Insert the needle until the shank butts against the end of the slot. 6. Tighten the screw while holding the needle. A quality needle will ensure better sewing. 2. Make sure the machine is properly threaded. Refer to the video, How to Thread Your Alfa Sewing Machine, in this section.